call came into 911, that call was placed by Mr. Dexter Potts. In the course of the telephone conversation with 911, he made a statement that he had killed his wife.
I was pretty upset with how the hearing went, honestly. This wasn't an accident. There's these little accident murderers run around that are saying, oh, it's an accident when I point a gun at someone and shoot someone and kill them. It's an accident. This was no accident.
So there were 5 juveniles in the residence at the time, and those are all children of Mrs. Jackson. We did speak with the 13-year-old that was the oldest of the children in the residence at the time. She was transported to the police department by the family, and we did an initial interview with her that night. During her interview, she says that she was in her bedroom and she overheard an argument between Mr. Potts and her mother in their bedroom, and her bedroom was joined so that they shared the wall with her mother's bedroom. She heard a loud argument. She said that this was not uncommon. She said that they, being her mother and Mr. Potts, routinely argue. And she stated to Sergeant Tuggle, who actually conducted the interview, that she made a mention that one of the reasons why she looks forward to going to school is because it gives her a break from the arguments at the house. So in speaking with her, it did appear that this was a regular occurrence. After hearing the argument, she entered into her mother's bedroom, at which time she stated to us that she saw her mother laying on the bed and she saw Mr. Potts on top of her. And she said that her mother was holding Mr. Potts' arms up, and this is how she demonstrated it to us. And she said that she believed that her mother was trying to avoid being struck by Mr. Potts. When she entered the room, she said that Mr. Potts got off the bed, grabbed his gun, grabbed her by the throat with his left hand and pushed her up against the wall. And with his right hand that was holding the firearm, he placed it to her head. At that time, she said he told her to get out of the room. She said her mother called out to him, leave her alone, at which time Mr. Potts turned away from the 13-year-old to readdress Ms. Jackson. At that time, the 13-year-old says that she left the room to run back to her bedroom, and a short time later, less than approximately 30 seconds, she said she heard a gunshot.
We have evidence in the case from witnesses who are going to testify, basically saying that this gentleman, Dexter Potts, was threatening weeks before, and then even the week before, threatening, "I will kill you." Witnesses that heard him say this to the victim. I've already talked to the family. They're obviously very upset, and they wanted me to make clear that this isn't some accident killing like they were trying to say in court. This guy had an intent to kill and killed her, killed Ms. Jackson, shot her right in the head.